Hi everyone, welcome to Talk of the Town. I'm Robyn Zimmerman. Our guest today is Andrea Sisino. She is the Associate Vice-Chancellor of the University of South Carolina, Beaufort, and also the Director of the OLLI program. So what does OLLI stand for, Andrea, and welcome?
Yeah, it's great to be here. Osher, Lifelong Learning Institute at the University of South Carolina, Beaufort, which is in Beaufort, Bluffton, and Hilton Head. That is a mouthful, right? Mm-hmm. Which is why we say OLLI.
Right. And there are classes during the day and the evening, and they're mostly taught by retirees or people in the field?
Absolutely, yes. This is the mecca for people who have moved here that had all different types of careers, whether they were pilots or astronauts or mayors or judges, whatever it was, and they want to share their expertise and their passion for the sake of lifelong learning, of just sharing their knowledge. I think the cool thing about OLLI, why we have so much fun, the 1,700 plus members in OLLI that are between Hilton Head, Bluffton, and Beaufort, is that they are engaged in learning about the world around them, whether it's ecology or philosophy or ethics or governance or whatever it is. No tests, no homework, right. No long-term commitment. Yes. It's not like going back to school where you have to commit to 13 weeks. You're there for the love of learning, and you meet other people that have a curiosity like you.
And let's say you've been your whole career has been in business, but you want to learn about astronomy or Gettysburg, the history of the Revolutionary War, or whatever.
Whatever.
It's that, it's yes. that exciting.
Yeah, and so many people here have moved from afar. They don't understand the ecology, and they want to learn, well, why do the dolphin beach themselves to feed? What is the history behind the Civil War? We know it started here. Tell me more. Right. Maybe they want to learn how to make a new type of spaghetti sauce. Well, we have a teaching kitchen on the Hilton
yes.
Head campus. And so, I mean, every term there's about 100 and some classes, and over 70% of them are brand new.
So Andrea, how do you get involved in OLLI?
Yeah, so really you can get involved anytime. It's not like school starting, you have to be involved in a certain time. So OLLI has dedicated offices on all three campuses here on Hilton Head, Bluffton, and Beaufort. And I know the phone number is scrolling as well, but there's open houses coming on Tuesday, September 2nd, and they can come to an open house here on Hilton Head. They can go to Bluffton, they can go to Beaufort if they really want to take that trip,
And
yeah.
you pay like a small fee for the year, but then as you sign up for a class, it might be like $25 or something for 3 weeks, or right?
Not even. Yeah, so here's the thing. So everybody in the country, because it is a national program, becomes a member. Okay. And that's $45 for a whole year. Gives you a slew of benefits, which you can learn about. And then if you want to take classes or a tour or go on a trip, then you would pay $17.
Oh, gosh.
You can do it pay as you go. But so many of our members see the 100 programs and are like, oh my gosh, I want to take that and that and that and that and that. And next thing you know, if you divide it up, it's like hundreds of dollars. Well, we don't want that. No. So you can pay an unlimited term fee where you can just take as many programs as you want for $130.
That is like nothing.
Yeah, yeah.
When you think about it, you take any class, for 130.
Yeah, but wow. People are busy, they're going everywhere, they're playing pickleball, who knows what they're doing. And maybe they just want that one class on the history of something. You pay $17 if you're a member.
So very good. You have a very robust website. So that's where you can go on, you can sign up for the year or whatever, and for the classes.
Yes.
Do you still send out a catalog?
Oh, we do, because it's our #1 marketing piece. So yeah, people can request a printed catalog if they like. Go to the website or just pick up the phone, or even better yet, walk into an OLLI office.
Or go to the open house.
There you go. Open house sounds good. Those are going to be some fun times.
All right, and so the classes begin when?
September,
probably in the middle of September.
Middle of September, but honestly, OLLI is year-round now. Always something to do, always something to learn.
Congratulations, and just a quick, University of South Carolina, Beaufort this year has the largest enrollment ever. So that's very exciting.
We're super excited.
And you're a busy woman.
Yeah, but love it, love it.
Appreciate
Thank you.
You being with us.
Thank you.